Thank you.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, first, thank you, Ron, Kasha, for organizing this event, and it's good to see many people here in the room. So there might be an interest in micro-LEDs as well, still ongoing. Yeah, so we, as a board sponsor, because we are working in the display industry for many years. And hello. It's different. Oh, so sorry. We are working in the display industry for more than a decade, and yeah, we have a lot contribution to also micro LEDs now. And I'm not alone here. I'm with a team. We have a booth outside for a detailed discussion over the 2 days. But now I want to give you an overview about the micro LED volume manufacturing. And I'm focusing on 2-3 processes or in the chain, and yeah, giving you some great results, and also I have some numbers about the transfer, for example. Next is this one. Yeah, we are also from a laser equipment maker focusing on on which side of the displays we have to focus, and let's say our business is scaling with square meters. So that's a reason why we are looking more to larger displays than to the small ones. TVs now are one example. And we hear and see a lot of companies, research institutes are working on micro LEDs now. And so from the name micro LED display, we see it as a job for micro LED display is a compound semiconductor which needs to be added to a display, so display equipment. So if we have these both markets or disciplines working together, yeah, we could make it. As I said, we are well known to all display manufacturers today. We have a lot of laser equipment running 24/7 in of course mainly in Asia, in all fabs today already, and we want to continue this for the next technology, the micro LED display technology. Yeah, our statement, of course, from a laser perspective is micro LED manufacturing is a job for lasers, and there are a couple of process steps where you need a laser. And here it's just an overview about a process chain. And you see when we start in the epi fab, we have to, you have to do epi wafers, singulation, chips. And then there is already the first step to remove the micro LEDs from the epi wafer, which is called laser liftoff. We have several solutions there. I'm coming back to this. Going along the process chain, and this is also what we see today, different from OLED, is we have the epi fabs making epi wafers. We have the display fab processing or making the displays. And it could be, and also this is what we see, that there's a third player making backplanes. So all has to come together. It's not like one fab, like for the OLED. And in our case, we have a contribution to different steps in the process chain. We can do, of course, the release from the epi wafer, LLO. We do also the laser, or the laser mass transfer is the main topic of today. Refill, repair process, and also now more and more we are coming to another process called the bonding process, where we also have solutions and demonstrating outside. So we are always talking, so we are in OLED, and now we want to go into micro LED, and it's a question about cost. We know all that the costs are too high, and when you talk to customers or display makers, it's about, they say, up to 80% is material cost. Can we work on the material, on the compound semiconductor side? No, but we can help to reduce the cost in another way. And we see, my statement always is, you have a wafer, that epi wafer, and more or less the epi wafer costs always the same. And the question is how many displays I can make out of one wafer. So they have to get small,